stop using 600 volt step down transformers. You no longer need to step down your 600 volt LED lighting and overpay for a bulky transformer. So this is Canada's most compact 600 volt LED replacement. What you see is what you get. It's only 18 pounds and it replaces your 400 watt HID, your metal halide fixtures. It also can replace your 1000 watt HID, your metal halide fixtures. So this is a direct input 600 volt driver. So what you can do with this driver is you're going to save a ton of money, you're going to save a ton of time, and you're going to save a ton of manpower. It's going to be way less labor. And it's a very, very economical LED solution. So who's LED in action? Well, we're trusted by the heavy industrial sector. We've sold thousands of high voltage lights into industries such as mining, steel, gas and oil, chemical, pulp and paper. Here's just a few of the companies that we work with on a regular basis in Canada: Stelco Steel, ArcelorMittal Dofasco Plant, Imperial Oil, TC Energy, and Suncor. And we also resell to distribution partners across Canada. So if you already have an account with any of these electrical distributors, we already have our part numbers in their system, making it very easy for you to order. So we're high voltage LED lighting experts. We've been in the game since 2008, so 15 years. We've been providing LED lighting for heavy industrial plants, anywhere from 347 volt in Canada to 480 volt in the US. And then now over the past few years, we've really been going all in on the 600 volt, which is actually quite a common thing here in Canada. And so most manufacturers have run away from the problem of high voltage. They're seeing a lot of failures with high voltage lights. It's because the driver isn't a good quality, because they don't have enough surge suppression built into the fixture. So we're aiming to solve those problems, and we have been solving those problems for many, many years. We've been through the trenches. We've seen it all when it comes to high voltage. We know how to make a quality driver that can withstand those voltage surges. We know how to have a surge suppressor built into the driver. We know how to have external surge suppression and how much surge suppression you need. So we're really experts when it comes to high voltage lighting. And where everyone else is running away from the problem, we focused on solving the problem. And that's kind of our value add in the market. So what is the benefits and savings to having a 600 volt direct input driver? Well, number one, it's plug and play. It's going to save you a ton of time on the install. Throw the one cable in there. And then number two, you don't have to worry about a transformer. So there's no need to convert your power down from 600 volt down to 120 volt and, pay for the extra transformer and all the extra time to do the installation. So this is going to save you a ton. And then also it's very, very economical. So if you look at this fixture, it's very compact. It's only 18 pounds. That's like a quarter of the weight of normal HID or metal halide high bay, especially the 600 volt ones. So this is a very small compact fixture there. So these are real world success stories in Canada over the past few years. And I wanted to run through a couple different applications and industries that we've already had success with. So the first one is a chemical plant. Here in Canada, we replaced their 400 watt metal halide high bay lighting. And we did that with our fixture that's only 240 watts. Again, 600 volt LED lighting direct input. Also, we did a steel mill. So we converted their 1000 watt high bay fixtures with our 300 watt LED 600 volt light. So this was a direct 1-for-1 replacement, saved them like 70% on the energy consumption side. And like I said before, it's very, very easy for them to install. Didn't have to worry about any step down transformers. And these fixtures were mounted at 60 feet mounting heights in that scenario. The other one was the oil refinery. So on the oil refinery, they had a bunch of outdoor lighting. These were outdoor floodlights that they had like little mini mast poles. So we can customize brackets. We have our own bracket capabilities here in Canada as well. So as you can see in the picture, we have an adjustable bracket on a pole mount or a slip fitter, and they were able to replace all of their outdoor floodlights with our 600 volt direct input lighting there. And then finally, an energy company. So they had overhead traveling cranes that were 600 volt cranes. And so they loved this solution. They were able to use our crane bracket, stainless steel crane bracket, and the 600 volt direct input fixture. So I want to run you through our part number chart. So we have a few different options. So the first one is our 240 watt fixture. It's 36,000 lumens. It's a great 1-for-1 equivalent for your 400 watt fixtures. It's only 18 pounds light, compact. The part number is BECHB 240 watt. This fixture here is the same fixture housing. It's the same driver. It's just more chips, more LED chips. It's 300 watts, 40 45,000 lumens. And this can actually replace your 1,000-watt fixtures up to 60 feet mounting height. It's only 18 pounds. The part number is BECHB 300 watt. And then we have our 450 watt fixture. So this is a bit bigger, it's 28 pounds, but it's still very, very light compared to your 1,000-watt metal halides, less than half the weight. That's 600 volts. So SL2 450 watt is the part number. And then finally, we have our 600 watt fixture. This is our Super Lux, 96,000 lumens, 1,000 watt. We've seen people use this fixture at 80-foot mounting heights, 100-foot mounting heights, even 130-foot mounting heights at steel plants, or even outdoor high mass lighting at 100 to 130 feet. It's only 32 pounds, easy install. The part number is BEHB17 600 watt. If you want to get more information about our products and parts, or if you're experiencing 600 volt lighting challenges, I invite you to go ahead and download our free 600 volt mini guide. It includes the complete spec sheets on all the products that I just went through. Also includes all the mounting options and ordering details. So there's a lot of good information in this mini guide. It's a PDF. Just go ahead and pop your email in on the link below, and then we'll shoot you this guide over for free. Thank you.